Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my channel. If you haven't already, subscribe for a video every Tuesday, and give this video a thumbs up if you think it deserves one. I don't know. So in this video, I'm gonna give you a quick hairstyle tutorial. I tried this hairstyle for the first time the other day, and I thought, well, this is pretty cool, so I'm gonna do a tutorial on it. I'm pretty sure you've seen this hairstyle, probably, maybe. But yeah, I'm going to give you a step-to-step tutorial on how to do it. So if you want to see, then continue watching. If not, then go watch some other YouTuber. I mean, if it makes you feel better, you may leave. Here's the tutorial. Yeah. So let's get into today's video, shall we? Also, if you haven't already, go check out my Curly Unicorn Instagram for makeup and hair and other stuff. And go check out my Curly Unicorn podcast that also comes out with an episode every Tuesday as well. The links are in the description below, and everything else that you might want to know is also down in the description below. So read that if you're not too lazy to read that. You may read that. So let's get into today's video, shall we? So first things first, have your hair down. A little mess, I apologize. Okay, so we're gonna do this, and we still want to have 3 hair things, alright? So first of all, you take your thumbs. Yeah, if you have some. I mean, I usually do, but okay, take it. So you're gonna take half this upper part, and you're gonna take the hair thing, and you're gonna put it in a little balloon, just like that. Okay. You're going to take the other hair thing, do this, and do it again, and put it in the bun. And then you're going to do one more time, take the hair thing, and in the bun. Okay, and then you can just make it pretty. Put some hairs down, and there you go. It's a sturdy bun. 1, 2, 3. That's how it looks. Obviously, you can make it more pretty. You can put clips. You can put the buns higher or lower. All up to you. But yeah, that's it. That's it. Super easy. So if you want to try it out, try it out. It's pretty cool. Wear it out. Put some clips, you can put up and down it. Do your thing. Put your mark on it. Yeah. So this is super easy. I tried it out the other day and I thought it was cool, and I thought I'd share with you guys how easy it is, how super cool it looks. And yeah. If you have short hair you can also do it. If you have long hair, you can do it. If you have curly hair, straight hair. Basically, anyone can do it. If you have hair, then that's it. I mean, that's it. So I hope you like this video. And if you want any more other short little tutorial videos, then comment down below. Yeah, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe for a video every Tuesday. And I hope you tune in for next week's video. Give me ideas what I should do for next week's video if you want to do it. And yeah, I hope you like this, and I'll see you next week, guys. Bye, guys. Bye.